Welcome to 107 West 7th Street, Trenton, Tennessee, the tea plant capital of the world. Seasons change, all things do. So can this house, if you really wanted it to. A lot of blue is what you see, and a snap of a finger, this is what it could be. Around the table in this room, memories still linger, but new ones can be made with the snap of a finger. This large kitchen might need a change, add an island, and then rearrange. Too much wood, you might say, a little flooring and painting can go a long way. Remove the carpet, lighten the walls, a brand new bathroom down the hall. A little girl's room is usually pink, but it don't have to be that way if you just think. This could be a bedroom, playroom, whatever you wanted it to be. Or just grab some popcorn and enjoy a movie. At the end of the day, when the work is done, just come sit in the swing and enjoy the sun.